Okay, hello. I'm recording now. Okay, hello. I'm gonna be doing a video with my friend, Couch Waffle. Yeah. By the way, I have this song linked in the description if you're wondering what it is at all. So, yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna be playing. We're gonna be trying to win some stuff. So, yeah. Okay. What do you want to play that you think we could win? Sky High. Or... 10 million. Okay. Yeah.
It's totally.
By the way, my friend here is. They will. Do you have a YouTube channel? I don't know. Okay. What will its name be? Well, whenever I unfilm another video with her, I'm gonna put her link in the description. Yeah. So we're just gonna show you how to attempt. I didn't say we will. To try to win something good on Sky High. No! Dang it.
Oh my gosh, you sound like a movie character. You sound like one of those anime girls that are like,
oh yeah. Yeah! Can you do that? No, you do that, yeah. She's doing the kid who gets hit in the face with the volleyball. I'll do it again. No, do the yeah thing. Do the yeah thing. You know, like, yeah! It's so weird. And she's like, yeah! No.
That one girl.
Yeah.
You know, that has like mental issues.
Same.
I sound like a baby mom.
No, you don't. You do not sound. No, you don't. You're not what? Which I'm not stereotyping people, but yeah. Happy Pride Month, I guess. I don't know what to say. That's what I'm gonna say for now. Happy Pride Month. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. It was this month or last month? I don't. Why wasn't my button working? Because I'm lazy. As heckle. Trying not to cuss at all in my videos. Okay, I'm probably not. If I do, please tell me and I will delete the video. No, I'll probably not delete it. I don't know. That's just too bad. Yeah, same.
Something soft and soaked in pain. I heard from a secret hideaway.
Sorry if you heard birds in the backyard.
He must have forgotten to close his door.
We're filming this at like 9 o'clock at night. I don't know if it's 9, it's like 8 or something. 8:20. 8:20. Wait, are we north or western? I don't pitch. I love this song now. I actually really like this song now, thank you for suggesting it. We're just gonna call her Bree for now. Bria, there you go. Okay, they already know, by the way. Because my friend has called me up a lot of times. So I just kind of gave up on that. Yes, that's what I'm posting it on, obviously. By the way, please subscribe. I don't have that much subscribers. Even though I really do enjoy posting videos, it's just like I don't... Even though I do really enjoy posting videos, I don't have too many subscribers. I only have like 7 right now. Hopefully I'm gonna look back on this one day and just be like, whoa, I sucked back then. I just at least want 100 subscribers. That's all I'm asking for, and maybe we can grow from there. We, saying 7 people. I have more subscribers than friends. Is that sad? Yeah. No!
Wait, so you have like all the
Yeah.
I don't know if this song
Yeah,
is
V,
a surrender or a rap.
Ella,
I don't know if this song
Addison, Theo.
is about me or the dance
Oh,
floor.
so that's cool.
I don't know if this song
No, it's just like if they all know that wasn't really I'm not gonna
I
say
don't know if this song is about me or the
that.
Hmm?
Yeah, that one girl that wasn't really just like
P.S. I hate your belly button.
oh my gosh.
No. That's what I'm gonna say at the end of every one of my videos from now on.
My belly button looks like all mine.
Oh, it's like an olive. Like a carved out olive. I had surgery. I had like an appendix. So when I was like really small, like when I was like 7 years old, I had my appendix taken out. So my belly button's like deeper than like the ocean. So yeah. It's like, my friends are always like, oh, what's your party trick? And I was like, I can drink through my belly button. I
Hey,
know.
what's your sign? Cockle.
What? You said Coca Cologne?
Yes.
You have such a problem.
I know, right?
By the way, I haven't seen this little
This is why everyone
turtle right here that I'm talking to
Everyone
in
thinks I'm
like
old,
3 years. I haven't seen her forever because she moved away a long time
That's
ago.
so cool.
Is that a coconut?
I don't track things very much.
So I saw a turtle yesterday and he was speedy quick. He was like, run for his life. He was like,
It reminds me of me when I see another.
you know that the Goofy meme? If I ever try to edit it, I'm just gonna put that in all of my intros. Hey, I just don't know how to do it. What? I'm gonna start posting my animations on here. I'm gonna start
And
posting
that's
my.
why you don't have any likes because you never. Just I'm sorry guys. Oh my.
Valid profanity.
I feel so hard.
Hey, valid profanity. I get 5 at least. Valid profanity.
Okay, so I need to play Animals now.
What happened?
Membership expired.
No. What? Wait, what?
It did. Oh my gosh, maybe it did.
No, I didn't. I have the infinite membership then. Yeah.
How do you do that?
I don't know.
When the leader of the bad guys sang something soft and soaked in pain,
Something soft and soaked in pain.
he must have forgot to close his door as he cranked out the stairs more chords. And his
Britt, sing.
walls declared him
Do it.
saint. I found my way around time on Vegas as I pled my case to the judge. Oh no, say really?
You're the judge. Oh no. Set me free.
My soul's breathing hell's high for good reason, so please take me.
No. Oh! This video is getting to around 9 minutes. I know, right? I don't even know why people watch my videos. They're really crappy. I just scream into a microphone and do a bunch of other crap.
Don't worry, I have comments about that in the videos. Don't worry, it's really good yourself.
Yeah. Same. Okay. Judge.
Hey, why are you
Oh
doing
no.
that?
My
You're so scary, I Okay, we're moving on to
free.
Wait, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Me. Well, actually, I don't.
I don't know if this song
You don't cough at all. I've been here for like most of my life and I've never heard a cough.
is about me or the
Oh, I do.
No, I've heard you like.
Oh,
I honestly don't think you're coughing because I really just think that's your personality. Like honestly.
I don't know if this song is about me or the devil.
there's so many examples of this stuff.
Really? Oh my God, she's so far.
No, I'm not. Trust me. I need to go on one. I've been going on like this for so long. Like, I just want to get Oh my God! The second you lose all of your cards, it's like, oh my gosh, makes you want to play it even more.
Wait, close your eyes.
I'm playing the game, so I'm looking at Hey, see, I'm a new jammer. Well, that's only because I've always been playing on the games for a while and not these.
Can you put something on your trade list?
What?
Can you put something on your trade list?
Why?
Because I want to show you something that I got. It's hilarious. You have to accept it no matter what, okay?
Why?
Just do it.
I swear it's a member.
No, it's not.
August. Okay. Let's see. I don't have anything good. I'm sorry.
It doesn't matter. It's some random stuff. That's sexy.
I'm sorry, I'm a new jammer, so. Oh.
Close your eyes.
Okay, I'm playing my.
Okay, seriously, close your eyes now.
Dang it!
Please don't look though. Seriously.
The bad guy sang something soft and soaked in pain. I heard the echo from a secret hideaway. He must have forgot to close his door as he cranked out those dismal
Someone stole my warm blanket.
and his four walls declared him insane.
Where did it go? I used to have two.
Did someone like, you know that girl? She probably walked onto the panel.
Oh no, set me free.
She took it. She took my party cat too.
Oh my god. What the heck? Who was it?
I don't know.
Three lights lit, but the fourth one's out. I can tell 'cause it's a bit darker than the last night's bout. I forgot about the drought of light bulbs in this house, so I head out down the route. I shake his head south. Good with directions.
You should change your password.
I don't know how.
Oh my gosh, my cat looks so funny.
Hear it clear and loud if it go out. I probably should have stayed inside my house. I found
It's
a
just
way
like-
to write down on face as I build my case.
Oh, hi there,
Set,
friend. Oh
set,
my
wait,
god.
set my trade request. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
What is that?
Just word.